What's up, guys? Annoying Voices here, and today I'm gonna be bringing you guess what? A fucking commentary, man. And this time I'm gonna be talking about some of your favorite YouTube commentators. And to start this little roast off, I'm gonna make fun of Wings of Redemption. I mean, you guys know who this guy is. He's the fat redneck commentator that acts tough online, even though you guys know he isn't. You guys can see by his photo. He's this little gay boy that got picked on in school. And he makes fun of ghost users, even though he camps with the motion sensor in almost every one of his videos. You know, the hypocritical fat redneck kid. And let's see, Wings of Redemption. You read his comments, and he has that typical troll, tough guy mentality when he's online. You guys can tell that this guy is just a big powder puff marshmallow in real life. You'd walk up and hit him in the face, and I guarantee you this kid is gonna cry. And I don't know why I even subscribed to this kid way the fuck back in the day, but I don't know. I was stupid. You guys can tell, you know, and I don't even know what to say about this. I mean, I hear him talk a lot of shit, and I think in one of Woody Gamertag, you know, the geriatric gamer, I think in one of his videos, they asked him why he didn't go to PAX East, and he said that he would have punched some game developers in the face. You guys see Wings of Redemption. He's so fucking short anyways. He's just a short, fat fuck. You could just walk up and hit him in his fucking gut, and he'd cry. I can tell, you know, I can just tell by looking at him he's a fucking pussy. I'm sorry, you're a pussy, Wings. I can tell just by looking at you, dude. And I used to get in a lot of fights in school. I'd beat the living fuck out of people, and I just didn't give a shit. And I have a very, very sadistic and masochistic attitude. And I can just tell, this guy is a bitch. You know, I guarantee you could walk up and just slap this kid in the face, and he'll try to call the cops on you. That's just the type of person he is. And let's move on, shall we? Let's move on to Xjaws. You guys know the 16-year-old commentator that always says, okay, guys, if you guys like this, you might as well like this, because I'm going to speak really, really fast, so I never have to take a breather. I'm never going to breathe ever again in my commentaries. You know, yeah, that kid that always asks for likes and does giveaway videos so he can get in the front of the YouTube homepage for Xbox and Call of Duty videos, you know, and all that stupid-ass shit. Yeah, that kid. I think that kid needs to get laid. Do you guys see his fucking face? You guys see the fucking indention on his top lip? God damn, dude. This guy's... Seriously, he's like from the Roman Empire. He looks like an inbred fucking monkey, dude. Congrats. You can buy a new car with YouTube fucking earnings. There you go. And we all know that he's never had sex in his entire life. You can tell. Now, let's move on, shall we? El Presador. You know, the guy that always acts tough online and thinks he's good at the games, but he's never good. You guys can look at my video right now, and unlike El Presador, I'm actually good at the games that I play. I can do bad, and I'm better than El Presador in his best day. That's how bad this guy is. But he gets a lot of views because he started out as a PS3 fanboy, aka the Faggot Boys. And I don't know. I guess people like every time he says, fuck! You know, like that. That's just what he does, and I guess he's making a lot of money off of it now, and I guess he can go beat up some more trees out in his backyard. What do you guys think? You guys want to see him beat up some more trees? That's very, very entertaining. Alright, El Presador, what I'm going to give you is this right here. Fuck! Okay, you happy now, El Presador? I hope you're happy. Now let's move on to Woody's Gamertag. You guys know Woody. He's like the 80-year-old pedophile that still plays with little kids online. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, Woody. I didn't mean to do that to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay? And Woody, if you guys ever notice, he has one eye smaller than the other one. Like, I swear to God, someone probably poked him in the eye with their penis growing up or something. You guys ever notice that? Like, one eye's closer to the center than the other one is. Every time I look at Woody, all I keep seeing is that. Every time I see his picture in his video. God, I'm a dick. Maybe I'm a dick. Maybe Woody got touched by a dick. I don't know. God, man, it's just tripping my mind, you know, when I think about Woody's Gamertag and his little eye now. Now, every time I watch any of his videos, all I'm going to think about is that little fucking eye. Now, let's move on to T. Martin. You guys know the guy that copied Walmart's little logo and got put on by Woody, you know, the pedophile. And Woody, I'm sorry, I know you're not actually a pedophile. Maybe you just like playing with boys, but in a non-sexual, like... You know, just a platonic type way, and that's all good too. I don't want to make fun of pedophiles either, because I really can't be racist to anyone online. Not even a pedophile. That makes me a bad, bad person. But yeah, T. Martin. You guys know the Walmart of Call of Duty videos, because everything's bland about him, and there's nothing special. Alright, that's all I'm going to say about that, because he sucks. Now, let's move on to White Boy, 7th Street. You guys know the white guy that shaves his head and always miscategorizes his videos so he can make fun of natural disasters like in Japan? Yeah, that kid. And you guys know the one that uploads basically videos with very little content but somehow gets a lot of views because he looks like Slim Shady's fucking faggot-ass twin. Yeah, that dude. You guys know who he is. You guys know who he is. It's a white boy, 7th Street hair. Yeah, that kid. And I don't really have anything bad to say about White Boy. Actually, I kind of like what he does. You know, miscategorizing those videos. Kind of gives me a lot of ideas. Maybe I should categorize this and put Japan natural disaster into my tags. I might just get viewed a lot. You know, with my annoying ass voice. And I'm never going to get any views. I'm never going to get any subscribers. And that's okay by me. I'm making these simply for fun. And I hate all these big YouTube commentators. And I know everyone's going to call me jealous, but I'm not jealous at all. What would I be jealous of? Am I going to be jealous of Wings of Redemption being a pussy living on a redneck farm? I can hear fucking cows in the background of his videos. You guys know he's just a sheep fucker. Alright guys, look at that. I don't even have to try in my videos. I do better than fucking El Presador. Look at this shit. This pure pro shit. And that's my little rant video on YouTube commentators. Fuck off, everybody.